In this video lesson, we're going to learn about transversals and special angle pairs. Let's begin. Well, what do we have here? That looks like two lines to me. Oh my God, it's on fire! Oh, never mind. Now we have a third line. This pink line intersects my two other lines. Therefore, it's called a transversal, a line that intersects two or more coplanar lines in different points. Looking at our picture, how many angles have been created by the two lines and the transversal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 angles have been created. These angles create special angle pairs. That's right, they're special. And special angles must be given names. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the 5 different kinds of special angles pairs created by transversals. Before we get into the special angle pairs, I need to make sure you know what the words interior and exterior mean. Interior. Of these 8 angles, which ones do you think can be classified as interior? Interior means inside. So which angles are inside the two black lines? Good! Angle 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all inside the two black lines. So they are interior angles. Next word, exterior. Of these 8 angles, which ones do you think can be classified as exterior? Exterior means outside. So which angles are outside the two black lines? Nice! Angle 1, 2, 7, and 8 are all outside the two black lines. So they are exterior angles. Alright, now it's time to move on to our special angle pairs. The first special angle pair we're going to look at are same side interior angles. Let's break down the words we use to name this angle pair. Same side. That signifies I need 2 angles, since we need 2 angles to make a pair. And those 2 angles need to be on the same side of the transversal. Interior. Remember, this means I need angles that are inside the two black lines. So let's start with angle 3, since it's an interior angle after all. Can you tell me which angle is on the same side of the transversal as angle 3 and also inside the two black lines? Good! 5. Angle 3 and angle 5 are a pair of same side interior angles. Can you tell me the other pair of same side interior angles? Nicely done! Angle 4 and angle 6 are on the same side of the transversal and inside the two black lines, so they are our other pair of same side interior angles. Now let's look at our next special angle pair, same side exterior angles. So the same side part is the same. No pun intended. So I need 2 angles that are on the same side of the transversal. But now exterior means I need 2 angles that are outside the two black lines. So if I'm starting with the exterior angle 1, can you tell me which other exterior angle is on the same side of the transversal? So it has to be on the same side of the transversal as angle 1 and outside the two black lines. Awesome! Angle 7 is correct. So angle 1 and angle 7 are a pair of same side exterior angles. How about the other pair of same side exterior angles? Can you name those? Superb! Angle 2 and angle 8 are the other pair of same side exterior angles. On to our next pair, alternate interior angles. Let's break down the words again. Alternate. That signifies I need two angles that are on opposite sides of the transversal and non-adjacent. Remember, adjacent means next to each other. So non-adjacent would be two angles not next to each other. Interior. You know this one. Those are angles that are inside the two black lines. So let's start with interior angle 3. What other interior angle is on the opposite side of the transversal from angle 3 and non-adjacent to angle 3? It can't be touching angle 3. Yeppers, angle 6 is correct. Good. Angle 3 and angle 6 are an alternate interior angle pair. Nicely done. So what would be my other pair of alternate interior angles then? Woo! Angle 4 and angle 5 is correct. You're getting really good at this. So let's go a little quicker with alternate exterior angles. So alternate, two angles that are on opposite sides of the transversal and non-adjacent. Exterior, two angles that are outside the two black lines. So let's start with exterior angle 1 again. What other exterior angle is on the opposite side of the transversal from angle 1 and non-adjacent to angle 1? Opposite side, non-adjacent, and exterior from angle 1. 8. Nicely done. What is my other pair of alternate exterior angles then? Woo! 2 and 7. Good. That's my other pair. So angle 1 and angle 8, and then angle 2 and angle 7 are my two pairs of alternate exterior angles. Now on to our last special angle pair, corresponding angles. The 8 angles that were created by my two lines and a transversal can be divided into two groups. My top group, the 4 angles created by one line and the transversal, and my bottom group, the 4 angles created by the other line and the transversal. Corresponding angles are two angles that are in the same position relative to the lines and the transversal. So looking at the top group, the top 4 angles, which angle is in the top right location? Angle 1. Good. That's top left. JK. Top left is angle 1. Now which angle is in the top right position? Good. Angle 2. Bottom left. Angle 3, and then bottom right, angle 4. Now let's look at the bottom group. Now in this group, which angle is in the top left position? Angle 5, top right, angle 6, bottom left, angle 7, bottom right, angle 8. So each pair of angle that is in the same relative position are my corresponding angle pairs. Can you name the 4 pairs of corresponding angles? Angle 1 and 5, angle 2 and 6, angle 3 and 7, and angle 4 and 8. If you got these 4, nicely done. Those are my corresponding angle pairs. So there you have it. Now you know all the special angle pairs created by transversals. Now it's time for you to go and use your knowledge.